welcome to another video. And today I'm with Fred and Chico and us. And do you think it's raining, guys? Well, the answer is no, it's not raining. We're in the car wash. So yeah, guys, I'm the new leader, Freddy. So yeah, so I'm gonna be right here. See the outside. It's not raining. Look at the front. Yeah. We just came to wash the car. That's it. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna take this. The destruction of madness. That's okay. We're in the car inside because when you get out, we will get wet and it smells really bad. I know it smells really bad, guys. Oh, you can't see nothing. It smells really bad. We're a little bit happy because Freddy came. Yeah, we are happy. Yeah, we are really happy. And also, guys, we want to tell you that this water is a water we can't drink. Because look, it's not raining. Stop me. No, stop raining. Stop it. It's raining us. Ah, it's raining. No, that's not fair. No, stop. Stop. Bonnie, get out. Ouch. That hurt. See, it's not raining. It's sunny. It is sunny. I know that. Look. It's kind of windy. Get out of here, Chica. I'm the boss, so I say everything. Okay, guys. Right now we're in the band. I don't know how you call it. Band escape. Yeah. These are I don't know. These are things that put air in. We're going through it. No. Now. Stop. Okay, wait, go. Wee. This is fun. Okay. Right now, we're not doing nothing. Bonnie, okay, what she's doing. No, I don't want to go wash the car. No, it's going to be boring. No, we have to get out. That's not fair. Wait till you see the fun things we'll do. We're going to throw you and Chica in the air. No, that's not fair. What are you going to do? Drink water, have a nice day. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's do this show stage. I go in the middle, I'm first. Okay, guys, we're right now on the show stage. Now, show stage is to see. I know that there's a baby, you can't see. No, that's so sad. Okay. That's it. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below and smash that like button. I said that again. You did. Chico, maybe this is gonna stop. Okay, that was it. So yeah, I have to say goodbye. So peace out and goodbye. Subscribe and leave a comment. And if this is your first time seeing this video, well, leave a like if you want to. Goodbye. Peace out.